you will see we have colors. If we click and move it, we can change the color. Just click on this icon beside the size and then click on bottom, and I want to give in the bottom side also. Okay, give it 25. Hey there, welcome back to our Figma course. Let's continue our journey. Let's go ahead and get started with drawing few more shapes. All right, we have the page. Now we can draw shapes. All right, we can draw shapes, and we can click on our shift key of our keyboard, and we can take we can draw the shape with perfect sizes. Okay, all right. Now, what if I want to change the color? Good question. Just click outside. Once you draw it, you will notice that the right side really change. And once you click it, again it change. Interesting. Within fill section, you will see a little rectangle icon. Click on it. And then you will see we have colors. We can select it. If we click and move it, we can change the color however we like. What if I want to give blue colors? Interesting. Let's give blue, or maybe this. Great. For if I want to give border colors, like how do I do it, Ajman? Click on this and then click on stroke. Nothing changes. All right. Increase it maybe 15. So this is how we do borders. Yes, this is how you do borders. What if you do 50? Yeah, definitely it will increase. Ajman, this corners is really like, I don't want to do that. Can I just do like this rounded corners? Yeah, we can. But how do we do it? Click on this shape. You will see a little rounded kind of a shape on right side, and it's 0. Let's give it 25 and see. Let's give it 50. It changed. Let's give it 100. It works. So we can draw the rounded corners as well, and again we can resize it however we like. It's up to us. But from corners, if we try to resize it, if we just hold our shift key, we cannot just do like this or maybe this. We have to give a perfect size. So shift is a lifesaver sometimes. So we can give borders, round corners. Pretty interesting. For circle as well. Yeah, for circle as well. If we give us to draw a circle, maybe, and give colors. If I want to give border colors, just click on this plus and then give it a size, maybe 25. What if I want to change the border color? Just click on this black and then give border color whatever you like. It's up to you. Maybe you want to give this. It's really up to you. So we know how to give border colors, but what if I want to give borders only to bottom, not in all the sides? Interesting. Just click on this icon beside the size and then click on bottom. Isn't it interesting? Yeah. Let's change the color. Give red. And for the fill color, let's go with this. Now it's looking really beautiful. But what if I want to give left side? Click on left, that's it. But what if I want to give on two sides? Click on custom. And then left side is already 50. And I want to give in the bottom side also. Okay, give it 25, maybe 50. So it's up to us. However, we want to give the borders. Interesting. Now, what else? What else we can do? We can do a lot of stuffs, by the way. We can change the width from here as well. Maybe we can give 1500. Basically, we are resizing like this. Once I just change it, just keep your eye over here. Once I change it, you'll see that it's changing. So we can change the height width from here as well. All right. So now we are doing a lot of things in the single video. Yeah, we are. Now let's try to write something here. Click on this T and now you will see that again it's plus. So once I click here, we can write anything. Can we? Yeah, we can write anything. So this is what we can do with this Figma. In the next video, we will thoroughly look at how we can work with text. Let's catch you up in the next one.